Welcome to this how-to guide from vwgenuineparts.co.uk. We're replacing a thermostat on a Passat 3B. Firstly, remove the engine under tray and then remove the support bracket from the front engine mount. It's held by a 13mm nut and a 6mm Allen key. Now remove the expansion bottle cap and release the bottom hose. Drain the coolant into a suitable container. Now clearly we're not your mum, but please dispose of it in an environmentally friendly manner. Now remove the two 5mm Allen key bolts which are holding the thermostat housing. Take out the old thermostat, make sure you clean everything and fit the new part. You'll now need to apply some grease to the seal before you refit it. Replenish all the antifreeze using genuine Volkswagen products. Now run the engine with the expansion cap off until all the air bubbles have come through the system. Refit the cap and check the level every day for several days. Please never open the expansion bottle when the engine's hot. Genuine Volkswagen parts have a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty. Thank you for watching. See other how-to guides at vwgenuineparts.co.uk.